Hey everyone, Jared here with HeatPressNation. I'm here at the HeatPressNation main offices in Fullerton, California. As you can see behind me, I'm in the customer service center and it is empty. Because HeatPressNation cares about the health and safety of our customers and our employees, we're doing our part to help stop the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus. To do that, we've taken extra special steps to create secure workstations for our front office staff in their homes. So that means that we're still open for business and you can still call in. We're ready to take your phone calls, emails, and live chats. Not only that, our 5 warehouses across the United States are still open and shipping. So if you place an order with HeatPressNation, you can rest assured that your order will ship out on time. And finally, we want to encourage you to stay safe, stay positive, and stay creative. In uncertain times, you can count on your friends at HeatPressNation to provide the same level of customer service we've been proud to deliver over the years. Once again, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894 or visit us at heatpressnation.com. Thank you.